Now we have finished difficult words. Let's begin with the explanation of the chapter. As you can see here in a picture, the route taken by goods as they move from producer to consumer is known as channel of distribution. The first picture is of manufacturer or producer. The second picture is of wholesaler. The third picture is of retailer. And the last picture is of consumer. The route taken by goods from all of them is called channel of distribution. Middlemen. The product reaches the consumer by passing through several hands like an agent, a wholesaler, and a retailer. All these three are called middlemen. Types of channels. There are two types of channels. The first one is direct channel and the second one is indirect channel. Let's explain it. Direct channel. Producers sell their goods and services directly to the consumer. Producers sell their products to consumer in bulk quantity, not in any small quantity. For example, for such big events like shadi, matches, etc., one consumer can directly contact to producer to buy products in bulk. Next is, there is no middleman. Second point, indirect channel. We sell goods through middlemen. For example, there is no link between producer or consumer. There is a need of middlemen to sell their products from producer to consumers. You can see picture over here of indirect channel. There is producer, retailer and consumer. Producer is the one who make the products, retailer is the one who buy it from producer in small quantity, and consumer is the one who consume the desired products. Wholesaler and retailer. Wholesaler and retailers are more important middlemen who generally facilitate flood of goods from the producer to the consumer. Second point, they buy good in bulk from the producers and sell it to the retailers in small quantity. Retailers. Retailers are the trader who buy goods from wholesalers or sometimes directly from the producers and sell them to the consumers. Second point, they usually operate through a retail shop. They sell goods in small quantity. They sell products with the aim of making profit from it. Retailer deals in a small quantity and the wholesaler is the one who deals in large quantity. Characteristics of wholesaler. First, wholesalers buy goods directly from producer or manufacturer. Next point, wholesaler buy goods in large quantity and sell in relatively smaller quantities to the retailer. Third point, producer sells different variety of a particular line of product. For example, a wholesaler who deals in paper expected to keep all variety of papers, cardboard, card, etc. Fourth point, they may employ a number of agents or workers for distribution of products. Fifth point, wholesaler needs large amount of capital to be invested in his business. Sixth point, they generally provide credit facility to the retailers. Seventh point, they also provide financial assistance to the producer or manufacturers. Eighth point, in a city or town, they are normally seen to be located in one particular area of the market. They are nearby the area of marketplace, near to bank, market, hospital, etc. Functions of wholesalers. As you can see in a picture, there are two sides. On the left side, first is collection of goods. Second point is storage of goods. Third is distribution. On the right side, the first one is financing. Next is risk taking. And the last is grading. There are different functions of the wholesaler. Let's explain in detail. The first point, function of wholesaler. Collection of goods. A wholesaler collect goods from manufacturers or producer in large quantity. Second point, storage of goods. A wholesaler collects the good and store them in warehouses till they are sold out. For example, perishable goods like fruit, vegetable, etc. are stored in cold storage because products related to food get perished easily, such as milk, fruit, vegetable, etc. That should be kept in cold storage. As you all know, we kept fruit, and milk in refrigerator in our own homes also. Third point, distribution. A wholesaler sells goods to different retailer. In this way, he also performs the functions of distribution. Financing. Financing. The wholesaler provides financial support to producers and manufacturers by providing money in advance to them. He also sells goods to the retailer on credit. Thus, at both ends, at the wholesaler act as a financier. Fifth point, risk taking. The wholesaler buys finished goods from the product, from the producer, and keep them in the warehouse till they are sold. Therefore, he assumes the risk arising out of change in demand, risk in price. Spoilage or destruction of goods. Grading. He classifies the goods in different categories since all the collected goods are not of same quantity or quality, size and weight, etc. He also undertakes packaging of goods which facilitates trade. Some wholesaler also perform the function of branding. They give brand names to the products they deal in. It is very important to keep the track of the product which we are selling right now and know about the quality of the product in various forms. Seventh point, pricing. The final prices are set by the wholesalers. They provide stability to the price by regulating the supply of goods in accordance with the demand for them. Thank you. Namaste.